Guys, welcome back to the Hellcat channel. I'm going to show y'all a little bag Kemimoto has sent me to take on your ride-alongs. Pretty neat little bag. I mean, so you got you a 20-ounce drink or something. Fits kind of tight. Slide it right down in just like that. You can slide stuff in here. Pull this tight. It buttons down to your racks. I don't have all of it buttoned down, but these go here and here. You can see the ones I've got buttoned down. Now this is not a rack that you use for somebody to sit on or anything like that. You've got another cargo compartment here. Same thing with this. You slide that there. It has a support thing. Now that's actually pretty neat. Now the Velcro, best I can tell, so something like that. It's kind of just to help wrap it around. Honestly, this, yep. You just push it around the bottom like that, just like I had it. That's just kind of help a little extra support on it. Got to kind of pull it tight up here, but pretty good little bag. I mean, ain't really nothing wrong with it. Works pretty good. That's by Kemimoto also. Now I'll show you the inside of it. Like I said, this is not for somebody to actually sit on. This is made to just kind of carry stuff. So they come with a little support cage on the inside to kind of keep the bag fluffed up. And you can just poke stuff in here in between it. That's pretty much it. They're going to send me a tank bag next I'm going to do a little review on. And I would be riding the Banshee, but it has absolutely been raining. The ground is soaking wet. So as soon as it dries up, I got some new wool that I'm fixing to stick in this house. That way this winter I don't have to worry about this separating, because Castro 927 separates under, I think it's 50 degrees. May separate at temperatures below 35. This does not. I've actually caught them. And here's the cooler thing about this. This Castro 927 and the gold bottle, well, no, they're the same mixing ratios. But either way, I've caught them. This is the better one, because it's synthetic and it don't separate. So there you go. I will be making a video shortly as soon as this weather dries up. As you can see, it's pouring the rain out there. I've done drained all the gas out of the gold 927. I'm going to put the Formula K2 in it. But this neat little bag, you just got to tie it down more. I'm just showing you at the moment. It's too wet to ride. But to carry your sandwiches, maybe fix a flat, stuff like that, it's a perfect little thing to do. So they don't cost that much, and you can always just go to Kemimoto.com to pick this stuff up. Like I said, they're going to send me a tank bag next, and the tank bag looks very cool, so I should be receiving it shortly. So just type in Kemimoto products, and it should take you directly to their website, and I will have a link or coupon code. I think they told me they was going to send me for this bag. So that's pretty much it for today. No riding, because you can see it's pouring the rain outside. Has been raining. It's rained a couple inches. So y'all have a good one. Till the next video, happy riding.